Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add video inside text in CapCut PC. First click on the default text and click the plus icon, and here the default text, put the default text. For example, I am writing fire. So make sure use the bold font. After that, go to the export and export the video to the desktop. Import the video from the desktop. So choose the video which you want to put inside the tags. For example, I am taking this video and head to the import section and click on the file, drag to the top layer, and if you want to adjust with the video, click on that. Go to the speed and decrease the speed, so it will be little adjusted with the video. Now click on the top layer, go to the video and click on the default and click on the multiply. And here you can see that this is super amazing. And now it is cut down from here. That is sufficient. And little cut down from the start. Now let's play it how it works. Wow, this is super amazing. So I hope you understand how to put the video inside tags in CapCut PC. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching. Cancel it, and now head to the video. Now click on the media and import the video. After that, click on the import the video to the export to the desktop and go to the your main video. For example, after that, click on the video which you want to put inside tags. Here is the plus icon as an example, and here you can see the video is exported to the timeline. Click on the media, and here is the video you have exported. And make sure if you want to adjust with the video, then click on the file and go to the speed and increase the speed, and in this way you can little increase the length of the clip. Adjust to the video to the text, and then go to the video and click on the default blend option, and after that click on the top layer and go to the video and go to the blend and drop down and click on multiply, and here you can see that